Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update ShipBob inventory locations in prep, full guide step by step clearly. To update your ShipBob inventory locations in prep, begin by logging into your ShipBob account. Once logged in, navigate to the Inventory tab on the main dashboard. Select Locations from the drop-down menu to view your current inventory locations. Review the list of existing locations to determine which ones need updating. To add a new location, click on the Add Location button. Enter the necessary details for the new location, including the address and any relevant contact information. Make sure to specify the type of location, such as a warehouse or fulfillment center. After entering all required information, click Save to finalize the new location. To update an existing inventory location, find the location you wish to modify in the list. Click on the Edit button next to the chosen location. Make the necessary changes to the address or contact details as needed. Once you're satisfied with the updates, click Save Changes. To manage inventory prep settings, return to the Inventory tab. Select Prep Guidelines from the drop-down menu. Review the current prep guidelines to ensure they meet your product requirements. If updates are needed, click on the Edit button. Adjust the prep instructions as required and be specific about the packaging, labeling, and handling procedures. After making the necessary adjustments, click Save Changes. To verify ensure all locations and prep settings align with your shipping strategy and product needs. If you encounter any issues, utilize the ShipBob support resources for additional guidance. Regularly checking and updating your inventory locations in prep will ensure efficient fulfillment and customer satisfaction. Once all updates are complete, exit your ShipBob account securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.